You wouldn't think an international food store would be this noteworthy, but wait till you get a look inside. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Fairfield, Ohio to the Jungle Jim's International Food Market. You will not believe the inside of this place. Animatronics and a large variety of food. Our adventure starts in there. Check out the cool outdoor decor. Watch the birdie. In the summer, this becomes the nursery. What a way to make an entrance. The decorations are theme related with the products. For example, this neat guy is selling energy drinks. And this is the original Jungle Jim's building from 1974. And what's a scarecrow without some corn?
Would you stop already? You're getting under my husk.
And what better greeter at a toy store than a toy soldier selling toys? This place is so huge it even has a bank inside of it. Let's discuss the pink elephant in the room. This place is awesome. The sushi is actually made fresh here in the store. The chandelier points to the location of the first market. I wonder where the soup aisle is.
Sure glad to see you today. Thanks for shopping.
Their deli section is fantastic as well. Mine too. If your desire is to cut to cheese, you've got plenty of choices. There's nothing rotten in Denmark, it's just the cheese. This place can wear you out, so you better load up on caffeine at Starbucks. Their beer and wine section is phenomenal. These look like porta potties, but these are elaborate bathrooms back there. But I'm not going to go in there with a camera. What's great about their beer section is you can choose just single bottles. They have beers from every region of the country, as well as international beers. Look at these cool 1940s inspired labels. Oh look, they have Cashew beer. Not really. Elliot Ness. If you have a sweet tooth, they also have candy from the bygone years. For their candy holders, they have old bumper cars from the Coney Island days. Look at all the Pez. This is the man himself, Jungle Jim, done in Jelly Bellies. The candy is reasonably priced, but the diabetes is free. It's hard to imagine that's candy, and even harder to imagine that it's $40. This is one of my favorite decorations here, the Amish buggy. Everywhere you look, there are cool vintage decorations. For those with a unique palate, they have exotic meats from around the world. Frozen food, anyone? I had no idea there was this many types of honey. There's so many cool things everywhere to see that you're going to miss something. Check out the SS Minnow indoors, no less. Ripley's has nothing on these guys. They have every kind of insect you can think of to eat. One person's plague is another one's lunch. Are you serious? Cooked and dehydrated tarantula? Ugh. Here's their little cereal band, but I can't play it for you because of copyright. As you can see, they have a huge international produce section. You will not believe their seafood section. And you will not believe the decor for their seafood section. I never noticed this. They have white coconut, brown coconut, and green and husk coconuts. Check out this 5-pound bag of oolong tea. If you've never had mushroom soy sauce, you've got to try it. It is fantastic. I love this rickshaw. If you're a hardcore sauce head like me, you will not believe the selection of hot sauces they have to offer. It is even alphabetized. For whatever reason, they also have adult-oriented hot sauces. These craft hot sauce companies always do great jobs on their label art. Hot sauce prices range anywhere from a couple of dollars up to $500. If you've ever seen the show on YouTube called The Hot Ones, here are sauces from the show you can buy and try them yourself. Here's one of those cool old taxis from India. This is probably the coolest animatronics here in the store, Robin Hood. And appropriately enough, it's with the teas and English candies. For you Doctor Who fans, they have jelly babies. Wait till you see what they have under the tree.
Jungle Jim, what say you? Be ye ready for the grandest shopping adventure? But watch thyself. If thou art in league with scoundrel Prince John, thy cart and valuables may be in peril. However, if thou art loyal to King Richard the Lion-Hearted, then shop with ease and sample all you please. Now, good foodies, gather under my mighty English oak to discover my secret stash of riches and food treasures to share.
Besides hot sauce, I am a huge coffee and tea fanatic. And they have every kind of tea I can think of, especially English tea. This is the coolest place you could possibly shop. Look how cool their Latin section looks. For some of the individual countries, they have them lined up like shops. I love these. Potatoes! We won't be watching this because it's copywritten. As you can tell, it truly is a shopping experience. It's about 30 minutes north of Cincinnati, so if you're ever in the area, be sure to stop by and visit it. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. If you'd like to contribute to my channel, I have links to my Patreon as well as my PayPal page. Until next time, this is Cashew with Bucky signing off. And there's the old monorail from Kings Island's Lion Country Safari.